So that's the MicroStrategy chart is obviously interesting because it's so closely related to Bitcoin. It is at a key spot here, okay? So I'm still looking for higher prices overall on the MicroStrategy chart. But it's not an impulsive move, best I can tell, because this rally from the February low to the March high was just in 3 waves. And so the third wave should also be a 3-wave move, A, B, C, and then the 4 and the 5. And it can take us to $600 plus over the coming months. At least that's the idea. But there is some short-term weakness that's coming in here. The question is what that means. I mean, overall, I left the support area unchanged. It's between $264.84 and $339.51. Because we might test that area again, or at least move down a little lower in the broader B wave in the yellow scenario. Because it can be that we never finished this B wave, A wave, B wave, C wave, before we go higher. So then we just form another B wave pullback. That would become even clearer if we start with a red candle on Monday and then break below the $393 level. Because for now, this can be seen as a corrective pullback in maybe an internal wave 4 pullback, yeah? I mean, I can see it as part of the white count, but below $425, that will become less likely. So I can treat this at the moment as an upside impulse, corrective pullback in an upside impulse. But if we start to see downside momentum from here, it doesn't really look like that at the moment anymore. But yeah, overall, I think still looking for higher prices. Now at the key spot will really depend on how the market opens on Monday. And then the next structural support is here around $393. And below that, that's also an important one, $370. And there was a lot of support in this region around $359. But yeah, overall, nothing really bearish yet. Just question is how deep is the pullback going to be before upside continuation, at least so far. There is no evidence for anything really bearish. Just can we hold now this $425 level? That's going to be what we need to watch for. And then if the market can actually turn around, break above 458, it can send us quite quickly to $500 and $550, $600.